All right, so this is a bird dog kettlebell row. Lindsay's showing us here. One more. Good, I'll let her pause. So if you're probably gonna do this on a couch. She's got whatever hands on the kettlebell, that's the knee that's down, the other leg is straight behind her. Now as she comes up and rows this, I want you to watch how she stays connected here. This doesn't move, she's not arching her back to do this, right? She'll do one more, and then she'll go down. When you row, think about driving your arm down here. Do not pull the kettlebell towards your armpit, and you will nail the one kettlebell bird dog row.